Hi, in this video, let's learn how do we solve this type of question when we are given a function and the domain of the function, the range of the value of x. And the question asks us to construct a table. How do we construct this table? First, we need to draw a table like this, and second, we write x and y. Since a given range is from -2 until 5, so I'm going to write -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to find the corresponding value of y for each of the value of x. So here, I'm going to show you how do we get the answer, how do we get the value of y without using our calculator. It is very important. We need to know what we are doing. We can't just fully depend on your calculator and you don't understand what you are doing, right? Okay, let me copy the function. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. So when x is equal to -2, what is the value of y? I'm going to copy every single thing here except the x. I'm going to change the x to -2. Y is equal to 2 times x. Now I know that x is equal to -2. So I will replace the x by -2. The rest I will just copy. So y is equal to -4 minus 3. So y is equal to -7. Fill in the table here, -7. So how about when x is equal to -1? Copy every single thing. What you need to do, just change the value of x here. Y is equal to 2x. Now the x is equal to -1. 2 times -1 minus 3. So this is -2 minus 3, and the answer is -5. This is a way how do we get the answer without using our calculator. But actually we can use our calculator to help us to get the answer faster. I'm going to show you 3 methods here. First method, 2x minus 3. This one. I'm going to key in here 2. X I will put a parenthesis because I'm going to change the value in the parenthesis. Okay, 2x minus 3. When x is equal to -2, let me key in -2 and press equal. -7. And when x is equal to -1, -5. How about when x is equal to 0? I'm going to change the value. The digit in the parentheses become 0 and press equal. -3. This is one of the ways that we can use our calculator to help us to complete this table. Second method, I'm going to key in this expression into my calculator, which is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. And I'm going to press this calculate. And the calculator will ask me what is the value of x that you want to use. For example, this one, I'm going to press -2, press equal 2 times, -7. Press calculate again, press -1, equal 2 times, -5. Press calculate again and press 0, equal 2 times. Okay, this is another way how do we use our calculator to help us complete this table. So let me show you the next way. I'm going to show you, let me show you how do we use the table function. Press menu and use this arrow key to search for table number 9. Then press equal. Okay, so if you don't want to do it this way, since the table function you see a 9, right? A digit, a small number, 9 here, right? So you can actually do it this way. You press menu and then just press 9. Okay, now f of x, this means y is equal to 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3. Okay, press equal. Now the calculator will ask you for another function. Since we only have one function here, you can just skip it by pressing equal. So actually you can go in your calculator and turn it off if you only want one function. But I think this is not a big deal. You don't have to turn it off, it's okay. You just need to press equal to skip it. Okay, now start value. So the beginning value is -2. I'm going to press -2, press equal. The ending value, the last value of x is equal to 5. Then I'm going to press 5, press equal. The step, you will notice that keep on adding 1, right? One step, one step, one step. Keep on adding 1. So just key in 1. Since this is already 1, you can just press equal. And now you see the table. Can you see it? When x is equal to -2, y is equal to -7. When x is equal to -1, y is equal to -5. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to -2. -3. Okay, let me copy the rest. 1, -1. Okay. Two, 1, 2, 1. And then 3, 3. 4, 5. 5, 7. Okay, let me check. Is that all correct? Okay, all the values are correct. So this is a three-way. How do we use our calculator to help us to complete this type of table? Let me show you the part B and part C. So this time I will just show you how do we use this function to help us to complete this table. If you want to try other methods, you can try on your own, or if you want to try without using the calculator, you can try it also and compare your answer with mine. Okay, before I show you the part B, let me show you some other things, some others function first. Okay, now let's say until now, because just now we key in the n value is 5, right? Therefore, your calculator until give you until this value only. When x is equal to 5, what's the value of y? So let's say, for example, suddenly you want to add one more 6. So do we need to key in again? You don't have to do so. What you need to do, just press equal. When you press equal, the calculator will add one more step for you. So 5 add 1 will be 6. And when x is equal to 6, y is equal to 9. Okay, so how about sometime, let me erase this one. Erase this one first. Okay, so let's say because you key in your step is 1, right? So maybe you want 6.5, right? So how do we do that? You cannot press equal. When you press equal, your calculator will give you at one step, which is equal to 7. But we don't want this. What we need to do, we just need to key in 6.5 over here and then press equal. And your calculator will calculate for you. When x is equal to 6.5, y is equal to 10. So how about if you want 0.5, for example? You want to go back and calculate what is the value of y when x is equal to 0.5, you just key in 0.5, right? Okay, then press equal, and your calculator will give you this value. When x is equal to 0.5, y is equal to -2. Okay, very convenient, right? Okay, now let me show you part B. Same thing, we want to construct a table for this function, -x squared minus x plus 6 for the domain of -4 until 3. Okay, so this is x, this is y, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this time I will only show you this table function. The rest of the method, or you get the answer without using our calculator, you can try on your own. Okay, now I want to change the function. Just now I key in y is equal to 2x minus 3, right? So now I want to change the function. How do I change it? You can escape it and go back again, this table function. But another way is just press AC, okay? And then change the function. So let me clear this one. Negative x squared minus x plus 6. Press equal. Let me double check. Negative x squared minus x plus 6 equal. Okay, this g of x, we just skip it. We don't need this. Start value, negative 4. Let me key in negative 4. End value, 3. Step, keep on adding 1, right? Add 1, add 1, and so on, right? So press this is 1. Press equal. All the value your calculator give you instantly, very fast. Okay, let me copy down first. When x is equal to negative 4, y is equal to negative 6. When x is equal to negative 3, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 4. Okay, so the rest, this will be 6. Six, 4, 0. And the last one will be negative 6. Okay, let me check again this value. Negative 6, 0, 4, negative 6, 0, 4. You need to be more careful, don't copy it wrongly. So 6, 6, 4, 0, negative 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 4, 0, negative 6. Okay, all the value are correctly copied. Okay, so this is a way how do we get the answer. So same thing as I told you just now, suddenly you want to add one more, just press equal. Your calculator will give you the value of y when x is equal to 4. Let's say you want 4.5, you just key in 4.5, press equal. When x is equal to 4.5, y is equal to negative 18.75. Okay, let me show you the last one. Y is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus x plus 1. And the domain given is negative 4 until 3. Negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, press OK. Go to change this function. So x cubed plus 3x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, make sure our function is keying correctly. X cubed plus 3x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, press equal. Just skip this one by pressing equal again. Start value is negative 4. Okay, correct. Oops, sorry, let me check again. Okay, this one correct. Start value negative 4. This is 3. Okay, step 1. Okay, correct. Okay, these are all the value of y. Negative 19, negative 2, 3, 2. Let me copy. Negative 19, negative 2, 3, 2. One 6, 23. 1, 6, 23. And the last one will be 58. Okay, so this is the way how do we use our calculator to help us to complete this table. Let me show you one more question. So this time, same thing, we need to construct a table and then we need to draw a graph for the given range. Okay, let me go and change this function to x minus 3. x minus 3. This is x minus 3, press equal. Just skip this one by pressing equal again. Beginning value is negative 2, end value is 5, and the step at 1, right? Okay. Negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2. Let me copy first. Negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2. Negative 1, 0, 1. Negative 1, 0, 1. And the last one is 2. Okay. Now, this time we need to do one more thing. We need to draw this graph on a piece of graph paper. The first thing, you need to plan nicely how do we draw the x-axis and y-axis. Before you draw it, you know this graph is actually a straight line graph, right? With the y-intercept negative 3 and go up this way. Okay? So before we draw, if you know the shape, right? So you actually know that this is actually positive gradient, right? Positive gradient go up, and this is negative 3. It should be something like this. So later on, we draw this graph, we should be able to get something like this. Okay, let me plan first. How do I draw the x-axis and y-axis? Okay, I have drawn the x-axis and y-axis. Next, I'm going to plot all the points here. When x is equal to negative 2, negative 2, x, y is equal to negative 5 over here. So, put a small clause over here. Oops, sorry. When x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to negative 4. Let me put small clause over here. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 3. Okay, let me make it more accurate. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to negative 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to negative 1. Okay. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0 is over here. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. Okay, actually I don't have to draw, I don't have to write this because the maximum value only 2, right? So you don't have to write all of this. If you want to, you can try to think, if you are able to make the graph become bigger, then it will be better, because when the graph become bigger, it's actually clearer. Okay, so this one actually don't have to write it. Let me draw again. Let me erase this one. So actually I should have shifted this graph a little bit above, so it will look nicer. So this is why. Okay, when we are given a piece of graph paper and the question asks us to draw a graph, we will try to draw our graph as big as possible. Okay, so the next thing, what we need to do, just connect all these points together. We should be able to get a straight line which passing through the y-axis, and the y-intercept is equal to negative 3 as our expectation. This is negative 3. Okay, correct, negative 3. After drawing a graph, write the function beside the graph. Y is equal to x minus 3. Okay, let me double check again. So the y-intercept is negative 3, and this is a straight line, gradient positive. Okay, so this is a way how do we construct a table and then draw the graph. That's all for this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you want to purchase this calculator online, but you worry that you will mispurchase a counterfeit product, You can just go to Shopee and purchase from Casio office store. Before this, I bought my calculator here as well. I already bought two calculators from this Casio office store. Both are authentic product. There are three colors available now: black, blue, and pink. You can click on the link in the descriptions or just go to Shopee, search for Casio office store. In the search bar, just type Casio office store. Click on it. This is Casio office store. So if you purchase your calculator here, you don't have to worry about the authenticity of the product. Just click on it. You can type the model of the calculator that you want to purchase here, or just go down here, click on scientific calculator. As I told you just now, for this model, there are three colors available now: black, blue, and pink. You will notice that there is another model of calculator which look very similar to FX570EX, which is FX991EX. These two calculators actually having the same functionality. What is the difference is, for FX991EX, this is two-way power calculator, means that you can use solar energy or battery. There are three colors available also for this model: black, blue, and pink. Let me show you some other differences between these two calculators. For FX570EX, this is one-way power. You only can use battery. The battery used is AAA battery. If you want to replace the battery, you need to take out 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For FX991EX, this is two-way power calculator. You can use solar energy or battery. If you want to change or replace the battery, you just need to take out 1 screw. The battery used in this calculator is button cell battery, LR44. Okay, that's all for this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.